Welcome back to our channel at the intersection, and I'm back in the kitchen today with yet another pasta recipe. Today we're gonna be making spaghetti. Ooh. But it's going to be sweet style spaghetti, like the Filipino Jollibee spaghetti. And to accomplish this, we're going to use this Filipino style sauce. But if you don't have Filipino style sauce, feel free to use regular spaghetti sauce. And we're gonna add some banana ketchup and the secret ingredient, sugar, to it. Again, remember, if you don't have this sauce, use the regular spaghetti sauce and follow all steps. Now, on to the ingredients. 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, half of an onion. Next, we have our ground pork. Next, we have our hot dogs. This is a special hot dog because it's red hot dogs. It is usually only found through Filipino brands, and if you want to find it, go to your local Oriental market. Next, we have our spaghetti sauce, Filipino style spaghetti sauce. This is also another Filipino brand, and it makes our spaghetti taste even more authentic. Next, we have our banana ketchup. Special ketchup. Unlike regular ketchup, this is a Filipino brand ketchup. 2 tablespoons of butter. Next, we have our cheese. We're using Eden cheese. Eden cheese is a special cheese from the Philippines. Again, you can find it in your local Oriental market. Finally, we have our thick spaghetti. Mmm, so good. Tastes just like how I remember it. You know, we used to make these for big events, like birthday parties. Every birthday party I had in the Philippines, we had spaghetti. Mmm. Mmm. Just the right sweetness. The cheese on top. Perfect. The pork cooked beautifully. And I like how it still has a saltiness to it. It's not completely sweet. It still has that saltiness. And these hot dogs have cheese. Back home, when they would make these, they would make them in big batches. It's delicious. It's creamy and perfect. Thank you guys for watching this new video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and click the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Join our little family, and we love you all. And don't forget to try this recipe at home. And for you out there Filipinos, try it with the banana ketchup. It's yummy.